Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So on the dollar yen monthly, we do have two options still. I mean, this still could possibly be an ABC correction to the last five waves up. If it is, then it'll probably do shape something like this. If it really is the end of a wave 5, then this will still make this same shape, but instead of being an ABC and turning back up, it's going to be a 1, 2, 3 and go down like this. That's why I say it's definitely not important at this stage to know the difference between a 1, 2, 3 and an ABC. Going down to the weekly, I have it marked as an ABC because me looking at other yen pairs, I still think it looks like an A, a B, and a C. But either way, like I said, either a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC is pretty much exactly the same shape and exactly the same strategy until you get about 2/3 through this third wave. That's when we need to decide whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is likely the A. I think this is three waves of A, three waves of B, lower low wave B. That's a big clue. And likely this is all part of a wave C. The 178 is definitely a target for an expanding flat, so if we do get a break of structure on shorter time frames, it probably will tell us that the wave C or B is over and that we probably should start looking for shorts. Until we actually get this break of structure, I think we need to look for longs because it definitely could keep on going up to any one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, my end of a trend signal is right here. So if we get a break of this, then I definitely will start looking for shorts in a downtrend. Probably will be the end of a wave B and the beginning of a downtrend for a wave C, or possibly a wave 3. Until we get that break of structure, we still have to keep in mind that this move down could be a correction to this last move up. It could easily continue the uptrend. The trend is not over until the market tells us the trend is over. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like a very strong move to the downside. So if it does continue down and break structure, to me that's great news because that tells me that the wave B is likely over and that we can start looking for shorts. On the other hand, if it decides to do some sort of a three-way pattern like this and bounce off one of these last couple Fibonacci levels, then I will definitely take it as a long. Like I said, the trend is not over until you get a break of structure on that correctly tuned time frame. And for me, the structure level that I'm watching is this one right here for a confirmation that the wave B is over. Until I get that, I'm definitely still looking at every move to the downside as possibly just a correction to the last wave up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.